Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne guys. And if you have problems with your right headlight, okay, this headlight, low beams or high beams, stay with us, we'll show you how to fix that. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on this Porsche Cayenne, more than 200 videos, so please guys subscribe, it means a lot. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can by teaching you how to fix your car for free. All the tools and parts are listed in the description of the video below. In addition guys, all the electrical videos will be posted on this channel. The mechanical videos, we have 2 more channels, check them out. World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys for more information there. Now, for this headlight, a low beam, high beam guys, if the fuse is bad, both of the bulbs will not work, not just one, both of them. It's one fuse for both bulbs. Now we need to open the door here. Now let me show you quick. Okay, you can see that cover here guys. Okay, we need to remove that cover. Under the cover you will find a fuse box with a plastic panel removal too. Now we have 5 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. And we need to locate fuse number 17 guys. 17 will be the 4th fuse from left to right on the 2nd row. 4th fuse, 1, 2, 3, okay, this thing. Right here. Pull it out, replace it now, and we're going to see if our headlight will be working now. Okay, we plugged it in. Install our cover. Okay, let's go give it a try and see, okay, if those headlights will actually work now. The moment of the truth. So let's check out this one. Yep, they do. So great guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.